back at lovely Nike Westlake. Let's go ahead and see if they have anything worthwhile. I see they got additional 20% off all clearance. Look around here, a lot of clearance stuff. We got some resellers in here too. Don't know what's really gonna be in here, but hopefully we'll find some stuff. Nike Westlake outlet slash clearance store. What are these right here? Dunks, and then they got these too posted up at the outlet. That's crazy. Got some social status pennies here on deck. Size 9.5 for both, full box. Pretty good condition too. Don't look like they've really been worn. Social status full box, size 9.5 for these. $149 with 20% off. That's crazy. Full box and everything, bro. Both colorways too. $149 for the black colorway. Which one are you guys picking up if you had the opportunity to? Size 9.5 for both of them, bro. That's crazy. The Mars for her that much, so they got these guys here. The Jordan 3s with the metallic gold. Got that elephant print, but nobody still didn't want them. They have these Jordan 8s, which I haven't really seen at too many locations, on sale for $139. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Leather quality on here looks good. It's for the ladies though, but the quality on this Jordan 8 looks pretty good. $139. Dunk lows right here. What do you guys think about this colorway? Definitely seen these before too. Not sure what size they have in this. This is a 8.5 in hand. Let me know if you got a feeling these or not. This blue color Air Max 90 is pretty dope. Size 13. $119 with 20% off on here. Anything else that stands out? Jordan 36s, 37s down here. You got Zoom Freaks full retail. $49 for the Flytrap 6, which is actually under retail. 20% off of that too. Zoom Freaks. Then we got Kyrie's $119, still full. Well, discounted, but 20% off. They got these here for $120, which we definitely seen before in the store. Yeah, these are all grade school. $150 for these 12s. The LeBron setup here, pretty dope situation. Apparently they got the Jordan 1 Low University, the OGs. So what's this? Jordan 11 Low IE. Full stack right here. That's crazy. $159 with 20% off on those. LeBron Soldier 79 as opposed to $119. Pegasus 37, $79, normally $120. Found them for $69, that's why I scooped them. I think this one's also there, maybe $79 at the Camarillo outlet, full size run also. What are those? What are those? What are those? What are those? Look at this wall. Sizes of the Chrome 6s left here at the outlet. I don't know how many sizes left, but they got a good amount left. Still $200 for the retail. We got these on deck, which is definitely dope. Normally $140 down to $110. Copper pass on these. Dope to see these here for a discount, full size run. These for $79 as opposed to $99, but we definitely have been seeing these at Burlington and Ross too. Bunch of dirty denims over here for $110. The $110 is the discount you get, you know what I mean? Full size run of them too. 2090s. We've been seeing these at crazy like at Burlington and Ross. $79 with 20% off. Latest colorway of the Zoom Freak 4 for $135. Those UNC OG lows is pretty dope too. That's a pretty good steal, like $100 after the discount. Saw these on the aisles as well. This colorway is definitely clean. Copper pass. Really, that's crazy right there. That's a cook for real. You got a pretty good heat wall right there. This heat wall's crazy. This is I don't know what size this is. Looks like it's a men's 7. True Blues. Let me know what y'all think. I was here for the ladies, $79 as opposed to $109. $74 with an extra 20% off. Normally $129 down to $99 with 20% off. Normally $160 down to $84 with 20% off. That's actually a steal with a pretty good size run, like 6 to 8.5. Got Terra Tigers here also, $87 with additional 20% off. That's pretty dope. What you think about these? Normally $139, $150 down to $139 with 20% off on that too. It's always on point too. Everything's pretty much discounted. I've been seeing this jacket more places. What's the tag on this, just to know? $69 as opposed to $100. Some Nike Yoga, $54. $64 on this corduroy type thing. This is for the ladies, I guess. I'm over here in the women's section. I scanned some of these things. Look at this jacket, jersey, Ramsey, pretty dope. But I can't do NFL stuff. And we got this velvet Jordan jacket right here, $89. Pretty clean, but not enough for your boy. You know what I'm saying? They got some good finds here. Plus I got my little 15% off extra too. 139 as opposed to 179 with 20% off on those. It was 165 down to 119. Let's see what this is right here. Oh, Air Max 2018, okay. Triple black colorway. Saw these at the other outlet too. I think they were a little higher though. Full size run for the men's, 49 as opposed to 89, but it doesn't come up when I scan it. Some yoga wear, down to 79 from 110. These pants are not bad for regular wear. You know what I'm saying? I like to wear things that are not normally for casual wear. 105, we're leaving those alone now. 20% clearance off here. A lot of things to look forward to. Some things are marked down, some things aren't. Just kind of showing you briefly some of this stuff. But see, okay, $24 on those. But a lot of the stuff we've seen at like Marshalls or Ross for a lot cheaper. So that's why I don't really dibble into the apparel too much. They normally 165 down to 109 for these, which is a pretty dope situation. But we've seen them at Marshalls for cheaper, you dig? Really good too. 130 down to 89 with 20% off. Plus I got an extra 15% off. But the ranking's not too good on these. I mean, there is, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave these alone. I think what I'm really gonna grab today, just a couple pair of these, because these are 59 with 20% off with an extra 15% off. So I'm gonna grab a few of these number 9, size 9 in those. Those kind of have the best value with the least amount of offers there. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those. Yeah, so these are pretty cool looking. I like the colorway on these. 130 on the retail. Let me know what you guys think about these Terra Tigers. Or no, these are the Windhorse 7s. The Windhorse 7s. Got a bunch of other sneakers here for the ladies, still full retail. Structures, all 3 colorways are pretty dope. The navy blue and yellow one is pretty fire. All of them are cool. I think I like the black and gray first, and then this one, followed by that one. Let me know what you guys think. Nike says they're trying to help and stop against resellers, but I just seen 2 resellers each pick up 20 pair of this. I showed you guys one earlier. I'll show you guys a clip of somebody else, but they can't say nothing to me about recording if they're not tripping off of something that they say is a policy, right? Boom, boom. That's crazy right there. Crazy. So as far as Westlake's concerned, I think that's gonna wrap it up for me. I'm gonna grab those 2 shoes right there. All those size 9s there, and get on out of here and head on over to Camarillo again to see if we find anything there. I got these at home. 109, huh? Interesting. So I'm gonna go light and grab these 3, and then we're gonna get back to doing some more later, but these are 3 right here. 130, makes me feel like the policy is some BS, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not hating it. It's pretty dope to see that. See somebody come in there and cook. We've seen 2 people. One person in the car next to me has maybe like 20 pair, 25 pair of the Jordan 1 Low OGs, and I just seen somebody else come and get another maybe 15, 20 clip of that too. So it is what it is. It's what you see here at the outlets. The resellers is out, and it's definitely a game. I mean, the thing is changing up. The economy is a little changing right now. So I don't know if these guys are doing the best thing, but at the end of the day, I think it's a good thing. You find things for discounts. They were like $100 with an extra 15% off if they did it the right way. And if not, 20% off of that is still good. That's $100. You can sell them for maybe $200, you know what I'm saying, depending on the sizes. But let's go ahead and get out of here. We came across our Pegasus. Women's Pegasus 37, 2 size 9s, 1 size 8.5. I'm gonna go slide by Camarillo, see if there's anything else over there, and then get out of here. So now we're here at the Camarillo outlets, just left Westlake. Found some pretty good shoes there that I did see here, but I believe they were priced a little cheaper there. Plus I had a 50% coupon. But we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find some more of them Pegasus. And don't forget to visit bosscosgoodies.com, you dig? The outlet, Camarillo. Was here a good amount of times. Didn't get a lot of content, but I got some content, you know? They still got the 90s playlist going on. In your local stores right now, are you guys getting a lot of 90s playlists also? I've been hearing that that's like a marketing thing right now. A lot of 90s playlists going on right now. No stress. I don't know if these were here last time. They moved the Pegasus around actually. This blue colorway, 79 as opposed to 130. I like that colorway. I'm gonna have to scan that and see. Both of these are actually that price, which is fire. So kind of the same suspects that we've seen, some of the same things we've seen last time we were here for the heat wall. Pretty good selection though. Let me know what you guys think are the standouts right here. The difference a couple days make, because these are all 79 now. 79. These were 69. You guys can check. I think I can put a reference up. They were 69. I'm not gonna get them at 79. There's still some margin, but not enough. That's 80 bucks. 59, but it's not enough for me on that, so we're gonna leave that alone. Not surprised, but then again, I am surprised to see the prices change overnight. See if there's anything new on this back wall. Oh, and the discounts are gone too. So maybe that 69 was a discounted type of price, you know what I mean? But there's no discounts now on the back wall. We got some Yeezys right there on the floor. See what else we can find. Just left their Yeezys. I guess nobody really cares about Yeezys no more like that. Just leave them on the ground. Really. 37s. Yeah, so this is really not the time to come again. They shut down everything that was going on. The little momentum that we had with these discounts are no more. Wow, 39 bucks for the Pegasus or for the Zoom Terra Kiger. 39 bucks for those. That's crazy. No 20% off, so it's still the 39 bucks that you guys can see. Not looking like there's a bunch of stuff here to write home about, but there has been some adjustments, so let's go check and see. As I said, what a difference a day makes. Just the other day when I was here, these were discounted with 20% off, and I seen somebody pick up maybe 5 or 6 pair. The same guy I saw at Westlake for them Zions. They were some type of special edition. They had a really good resale price at the time, but as you can see, the listings, the prices have definitely dropped. That's the one thing when you go ahead and buy 20 pair, 10 pair of a shoe, and then a few days later the price tanks. That's gotta hurt. Now they're gone for some reason. Maybe they're gonna put them somewhere else. They were 49 bucks. Are they going to be marked down even more? Are they sending them back to Nike? I mean, this is Nike. So that's interesting to see. 49 bucks on those, the bread colorway. Then they got these, which is the classic colorway for 49 bucks as well. This one was 49 last time we came here. Pretty good ranking on that. Kyrie and fly traps. This colorway, I don't know if it was here last time, for 84 bucks, this Kyrie fly trap. And then of course the KD Trey 510s still at 69 bucks like they were when we were here last time. Got this Giannis Immortality 2. I like this colorway, pretty clean right there. Anything else over here? 37s, Air Max 90s. Nothing else that we haven't seen. That's kind of crazy, man, unfortunately. And at 20% gone, I mean, it's Friday. You would normally think that discounts will be here during the weekend, typically Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but apparently not this week. It was 20% over at Westlake, no discounts here, at least not on the back wall. Kind of interesting to see that. They do got discounts on the clothing as always, but I'm here for the sneakers, you dig? Is this slightly different than the ones I got? I don't know, I feel like they're the same. Yeah, they're slightly different. $74 here. I'm gonna make a decision on these. Normally 40 down to 10 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them and just see what's up. The pricing is really high. We're gonna get into spring, summertime. I'm gonna take my chance on like 3 of them. Last time I was here, they had these True Blue lows, IE 7s, couple retros here, you know what I mean? I'm live and stacking up on these Infinities. I got me another one. I have maybe like 9 to 10 pair of Kyrie Infinities to sell, you know what I'm saying? Apparently a lot of you guys don't even want Kyrie, so if nobody wants Kyrie's Infinities who watches me when I done did Kyrie information the whole time, we'll just go ahead and sell them somewhere else.